How to add a Siri app suggestions widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, go to the blank home screen page and then touch and hold. Next, tap on the edit button at the top left, and from the pop-up, tap on add widget. Now in here, we then scroll down and then tap on Siri Suggestions. In here, tap on App Suggestions, so make sure you swipe across and locate App Suggestions. Then go down and tap on Add Widget. After that, the widget will be added to your home screen, and then tap on Done. If you need to make changes to the widget, you can touch and hold onto that. And here you can choose Don't Suggest Fitness or Suggest. So here fitness will not suggest it on home screen. You can change this later in Siri settings. So I'm just going to cancel that. And that's it. So that is how you can add the widget to the home screen. So here I can edit my home screen or remove the widget. Then tap on remove. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.